Hello, hello, arty friends. Here is a highlight from our live stream. Enjoy.
Okay.
And welcome to everybody that has come in. Do say hello in the chat so we can say hello back. Please give those thumbsy upsies if you haven't. Like it, love it, watch some more of it. But please,
Okay, I'm going to try to do, I'm sorry, Mariah, I didn't mean
okay.
to step on the end of your sentence there. I'm going to try to do both of these just so that we can see different results. Because I am going to try to come in with a little bit, I've got one thing of clean water here. Yeah, I'm good to go. You know, you want to make them so that you can, like I cut that one out. And what prompted all of this was Sue.
It's your fault, Sue.
It's your fault, Sue. Had the cutest little book, and she apologized for her people's not being, you know, PM Artist Studio, and but the thing was that she, you know, used some techniques or something. You could see some, I don't know. Anyway, in the background there. So I just thought, well, you know, that's, who cares? But let's learn how to make those kind of people.
Hey, and that's a good call out thing too. Just so y'all know kind of how we feel about this and who's it, what's it. Now, especially if you're posting over makers. I mean, please post away. Let people know where you got the things that you got. Of course, like, do we wish that everybody only ever used PM Artist Studio stencils and stamps and arty papers and this and that? Of course, that's ideal. But we understand the reality of the situation. People own different things. We own some different things. Now, we try not to show them during the streams and things of that nature because I don't want people to feel like, you know, oh, well, was that theirs or not theirs? Anything we try to show here that is stencil-wise or stamp-wise is most likely about 99.9% of the time going to be PM Art Studio stuff.
Yeah.
But that being said, if y'all are creating things and you're posting it over makers, that's great. And let folks know what it is and where it, where it came from. And then when y'all send us things, even if you let us know in the packages and stuff, we're going to try to be as honest about all of that. Now, we're not going to get super duper hyped about it just because, like, again, we sell things, y'all.
Yeah. That's how we keep the lights on.
One of the ways.
And that's one of the reasons that we don't have to have you pay for your info. Although, sometimes.
And my hilarity.
Hilarity, yeah. The comedy is free.
The comedy is free.
This is what I have discovered. When I really start this business, I kind of start with the garment. Whatever they're going to be wearing.
Yeah, because that's where you need, because then you know where to put, like, the body parts.
That's where I know where to put the body parts. And I kind of decide, as I'm going along here, okay, so here's my pants. I try to get my feet to kind of, do something. It doesn't look like you're just standing there like a dumbass, kind of thing. And, and
depends on who you're drawing.
And then you can kind of figure out, where's the wrist, where's the hand. I don't get crazy about drawing all that stuff,
Yeah, sometimes I make my arms a little too long.
Yeah.
For whatever reason.
And okay, there, pointing finger. Yeah. All right. So I've got, this is going great here. Okay. Arm coming out here. And then up here on the head. The thing about it is you got to think about attitude here. Okay, so the body's kind of headed this way. So the head is going to kind of be going that way. All right.
Now that he's pointing.
And here, and you may even have a little nose there, a little mouth, whatever. And some, maybe a little hair. Sometimes I put a hat on, whatever. There, that looks very, I don't know, pointing over here to something.
Yeah.
This is where you can put your message after you've taken this out and cut it out and whatnot.
Mimi says, pull my finger. She likes that.
Ah, that's great. Okay, she could even be having over here, she could have a bucket.
No, did you get great enjoyment from that? So Nancy Lee said she had an appraiser at their house today, and he saw all the body parts in the basement. They'd have a look like, should I ask? Best if I don't.
I've got mine over here. Did you hear what I said earlier? Because right now it's a hat rack for my my protest hat.
Yes.
And anyway, stand over there. All right, so
it's a collection zone.
That's one thing. All right, now the other thing is you start with a bigger head because you want to see more, expression or
Yeah.
looking over this way a
Those
little
are already
bit.
mad eyes or eyebrows. Eyebrows do a lot, y'all. Eyebrows do a lot.
Yes, they do. Okay. All right, and so we can.
Oh, it's kind of Three Musketeers with a feathery hat.
Yeah.
Oh, he did ask about them. He thought it was impressive.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm trying to make it arty. RT.
His name's RT. Oh, okay. Now, just to remind y'all, she has treated this piece of paper with the clear textured gesso. Was there just something else in your brush? Is that why it has this?
Yeah, I thought it was washed good, but
It was not. Okay.
well, I think it was picking up some stuff in the bottom of the hoodie do there. Be a three-legged stool. Those are the best kind to sit on.
Got big shoes.
The thing about it is you just have to remember. It doesn't have to be all that whip-de-doo. That's just what I do.
It's a little sketchy.
Sketchy business. Sketchy business. And it can also be just really, really, simple. Of just okay, just
Start there. And then you can get more detailed. Oh. Yeah. That's how I was feeling the other day. Eddie says, sketchy Raoul, scaring ladies since 1970s.
And the other thing that she used to sit around and draw eyes all the time.
Yes.
That's another thing that that you can do that's really, really fun because she would draw her eyes and she'd even put little
Yeah, she was big into the eyelash thing. She really did an eyelash study.
Now see, look at that. You're already getting an attitude there.
Smirk.
Or you're really focused on something here and I like my figures to, be doing stuff.
Just standing there.
Not just,
Carla, have they said when it might, you might get some relief? Oh, he looks like he's going to catch something. Like, here. Oh, yeah, I would like to know the update on the peanut butter business. Maybe you should try peanut butter on your gel plate.
Well, I guess I can always just lick it off if it doesn't work.
I don't think you should lick it. Please don't lick it.
Okay.
Can I tell y'all how many times? I mean, really, there should. I wish we knew that this was going to be something over the years, but how many times I have to tell you not to lick something? Who knew?
Who knew? Who knew? Okay, and so you can also have little tiny heads and very big bodies. Stylized bodies.
That looks like a bell. Gonna ring my bell, ring my bell. So Bo says, poor P gets told off for eating peanuts on Monday and encouraged to use peanut butter on Tuesday.
What?
She's never peanutting correctly.
Wemtoss.
Oh, good gosh. No, femtoss.
Femtoss.
Yeah.
Okay, one more here, and then we'll get on. We'll get on because I still have to show you my wonderful print.
Okay. What is this approach? This one's just starting with eyeballs.
This is starting with eyeballs.
Oh.
And a very large nose.
Okay, this is a straight on. Is this a mustache? No, that's a mouth. Okay.
Big mouth.
I think he might be a little cross-eyed.
Slightly.
Darcy says she enjoys drawing wonky bodies.
There we go.
Just kind of remind me of those lips that, like, when you were a kid, that's those, like, candy ones she'd put, and they were kind of weird and waxy.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, I just really, and I mean, even something as simple as this.
And they're fun. Then you can tear them up, put them on little tags, or put them in a journal book, or this could be the next start, like, or your little books that have the sayings and things. Maybe you find some characters that are perfect for those sayings.
And then you can cut them out. Because, see, now you have them in little, you've made them so that they're not overlapping, because that's really important, because I've made some that I could never use because they were overlapping each other.
Yes, she does that. Oh, hey, and actually I should show here. This is a great example. Remember when we were doing the big studio cleanup? Remember, and speaking that the overlapping reminded me, because these were tricky to, because it was all in one big sheet.
Oh, yeah. These are there, look at that. That's great expression there. Look at, see, our eyes looking back. Very thoughtful.
That's me.
Really?
That's
seriously?
Easy.
This dude's going, come on, I can't kill her ass. This is not making me very happy. Yeah. I just, a lot of those things are they're just fun to do. And the thing about it is, the more you do it, the more confidence you have in doing it and realizing, I don't know. That's just fun. Have fun with it. But you can start with this paper. And this is really important because, you notice, I can't hear this texture just so.
Here's one of my people.
Here's one of Mariah's people. She's looking very sad.
She is sad.
Because her hair didn't work out that way.
That's right. See, that one side just wasn't acting right.
All this is it's just plain old newsprint. And the thing about it, the reason I did this is because, when we get ready to do watercolor, I'm going to bust these back out. I'm going to put them in the envelope back here. And then we're going to do some watercolors on them. because I think it will be fun. But now,
Everyone, please note she put it in an envelope back behind her. If we're looking for the watercolor people, they are in the envelope back behind her.
And this one has the actual watercolor stuff on it. This right here is just texture gesso. I'm thinking it's going to work almost identical. Yeah. And I have used it a couple times. Oh, dang it, no wonder I couldn't find that pen.
Mm-hmm. Eddie says noted.
Noted. Okay.
It takes all of us, y'all.
It really honestly does. And, you know.
I'm proud of you, though, for cleaning up. It looks so much nicer.
I know. And I found things.
As one does.
As one does.
Amazingly, Byron.
Amazingly.
Hope you enjoyed the highlight. For the full-length replay, click this end screen. Be sure to sub and ring the bell to be notified every time we go live.